Hi everyone, we all have a habit of delaying our work. That is what is called as procrastination. So are you the one who is having the same problem? So now let us discuss why we come across this problem and what is the way to come over it. So see, what happens is that whenever our target is at a far point, we tend to delay it till the time that is very near. And when you start working hard, your result becomes suboptimal. And this is called as a typical feeling of procrastination. Okay. So now if you look at any competitive exam, these are the common problems that we face. We all have same time. We all have same books. Some people do well, some people are not able to do so well. The reason is that we are procrastinating. We are delaying onto the things. We are delaying कि okay, कर लेंगे, we will do it later. Okay, and that is the reason that once the exam is very close, the time is so less, then you quickly do this stuff, and that is not sufficient to stay in that competitive environment. Okay, so now those people who have this problem of procrastination, first let's see why do we have this problem, and second let us see why or how we can overcome this particular problem. If you look at the human evolution, we all know that we have evaluated through the multiple series, and what is happening is that we as a human being are looking for immediate gratification, and it is this immediate gratification that is the biggest cause of all problems. Now your exam is later, your exam is after 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, and you are thinking that if you will read it today, how you will get the immediate gratification? If I watch a Netflix right now, I will feel happy and I will get the gratification. And that is what is happening to all of us. And that is why we are trying to look for an immediate gratification. Okay. Now, opposite of the immediate gratification is rational thinking. Okay. So we have to shift our focus from immediate gratification to rational thinking. Now, what do you mean by that is that just think of your goal and just think that how this Netflix or playing this game is gonna add or is gonna give you the final result. Okay. Now, is it giving it or is it not giving it? If it is giving it, then it makes sense. If it is not giving it, then why I'm utilizing my time on this particular part? Okay. So this is the whole scenario and this is the whole problem that we are facing it. I have 3 remedies for you that if you are also facing this problem of procrastination. Now, what are these 3? Split, enjoy, and avoid. Split, enjoy, and avoid. These are the three aim of taking care of procrastination. Now, what is the meaning of split? You have a sea of course available. If you have, your aim is you want to get a great rank, that is not your aim. Split your aim into multiple components. You have to complete one subject, you have to complete second subject, you have to complete third subject. Split those subjects also into multiple short goals. Okay, so that is what is called a split. Split your things and pick up short goals, that this is what I'm gonna do in the next 2 days. This is what I'm gonna do in the next 2 days. Why we arrange these live classes is because these are setting up a goal for you. They're setting up a goal that, okay, every day in the evening, I have to attend this particular class. Now, you know, this is a goal that you're being set up. If you are watching a recorded lecture, you will not be able to split it up. You will not be able, for majority of the people will not be able to set up that particular goal. So first is split. Second is enjoy. Enjoy the things that you are reading. Split your course in a way that you are enjoying what you are reading. Now, if you are able to do that, then automatically you will be able to gain more. Now, try to read the things in a way so that the one that you enjoy, you read more. So that what is happening is that your brain releasing dopamine, and when brain is releasing dopamine, you enjoy that, and then you get an idea that what you have to read. Okay. Third, avoid. Now, avoid distraction. Now, this is the biggest challenge that we all are facing, and that is what we have to cater. Okay. Avoid distractions. Now, this distraction could be your video, could be your online games. This distraction could be social media. This distraction could be these web series, Netflix, Amazon Prime, or this distraction in today's scenario could be the news related to COVID. So all these distractions you have to avoid. If you can follow this principle of 3, split, enjoy, and avoid distraction, I can bet on this, you will be able to take care of this procrastination. Make your short goals so that you have to complete the things in this particular manner. If you're not able to do that, we are there for you and that will be taken care of. Try to bring enjoyment in your reading. Try to bring that enjoyment that once you are learning. Why do we say, sir, this teacher is so great, this teacher is okay, this teacher is average? It is because they create an inherent, I should say that the way so that you can learn that particular part. You develop that feeling that you will be able to learn that. So create that feeling that you want to learn that particular subject. And third is avoid distraction. Follow this rule of 3 and I can bet on this that you will see that now you are procrastinating less, much less in comparison to what you are doing earlier. Okay, I'll come back soon with the next MOM session, which is motivation and orientation for MCQ exam. Till then, take care.